Okay, SHV just got a CAE, and I've got all my radios on WNG 653. This is gonna get loud. This is gonna be the first time I've ever heard advisory activations on this one, this one, this one, and this one. Full system activation for child abduction emergency. Now, I am just writing this one out, so I'm gonna catch the tone out. Here we go! CAE! Holy freaking crap! Dang it! I accidentally go. CAE, baby! Holy crap!
140 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing glasses, a white crop top, area jacket with Mexico flag on the back and blue jeans. The child was last heard from in Waco, Texas.
Oh, this one's in Waco. That's a big city.
Law enforcement officials believe
this child to be in grave or immediate danger.
danger.
The freaking thing. Hold up.
If you have any information regarding this, the police department is searching for Alejandra Diana Castro, white, female, 16 years old, 5 feet 5 inches, 140 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing glasses, a white crop top, with Mexico flag on the back and blue jeans. The child was last heard from in Waco, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Waco Police Department at 25475075500. News media point of contact is the Waco Police Department.
Shut the frick up.
7500.
Well, that got interesting fast. Thanks for watching.